Greetings, my friend. Today, we're going to give our Hellcat her wings. Let's deal with the framework wing panel. Without delay, let's begin. Welcome back, guys. Here, I would like to show you the cutting out of the main wing framework. This was done before the assembly of the fuselage and put aside. After reinforcing the wing wheel well interior, I decided to assemble the right wing framework first, so I have an idea how it should be. And here is the process. After gluing the final wingtip rib, we now have a complete wing frame, ready for covering. The first thing I did when assembling the wing is to cut out the eject chutes for the ammunition. And then to use a scrap of black cardstock to patch the inside. We then strengthen the wing panel by using an extra cardstock as reinforcement. I deliberately did not join the inner panels so that we can freely place the wing panel over the framework and then we can adjust and attach accordingly in the end. I love it when a plan comes together. In this case, when the wings come together. Thank you so much so far for all the encouragement as usual, and please consider subscribing. There's so much more to come. I'm really excited about producing more and more of these models and show step by step how I get it done. Thanks a lot. Now that we have fixed the main wing panel into position, we now seal the trailing edge. And here's another favorite thing that I really love. This is the painting of the edges to give the model a more realistic look. And then with the blade, I carefully drill into the position where the machine gun barrels would be. Then cut according to the appropriate length, glue into position, and paint. I'm getting a little too eager to see what the model would look like, so I just put the nose on to have a good look. And yes, it is a good look. Well, thanks again for following me. This will be it for today's video. Please take care of yourself, and as usual, one love.